In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. If you've ever found yourself hunting for the same sites over and over, this simple feature will keep your most important pages exactly where you need them, right at the top of your browser. Start by locating the tab you want to keep open. This is the tab along the very top of your Chrome window, not the page content itself. Make sure you've selected the correct one. Think of a page you use constantly, like your project dashboard, calendar, or another tool you rely on throughout the day. When you found it, place your cursor directly on the tab at the top. Now, right-click on that tab. A small menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Pin. The moment you do, a couple of things happen that are worth noticing. The tab will shrink down so it shows just the site's icon, often called the favicon, and it will slide all the way to the left side of your tab bar. This visual change is intentional. It helps you save space, keeps your key tabs always visible, and reduces the chance of closing them by accident since the close button isn't shown on pinned tabs. Pinned tabs are designed to be dependable. They stay put even if you close and reopen Chrome, so the next time you start your browser, your pinned tabs will be waiting right where you left them. This is especially helpful if you have a daily routine or a set of tools you open every morning. If you pin more than one tab, you can still arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for you. Simply click and drag a pinned T to the left or right among your other pinned tabs. This lets you prioritize what you want to see first, keeping your most vital tools aligned to your workflow. And when you no longer need a tab pinned, it's just as easy to reverse the process. Right-click the pinned tab's icon on the left side and select Unpin. The tab will expand back to its normal size, showing the full title and the close button again. From there, you can decide to keep it open or close it when you're ready. That's all there is to it. By pinning, reordering, and unpinning tabs, you can keep your workspace tidy, your focus sharp, and your most used sites always within reach. Try it with a couple of your go-to pages and feel the difference in your browsing routine.